completed Wave Rider Surfer Dude. Here's an up-close look at it. I like that the base was designed to look like a surfboard. I think it turned out real good. This is made out of upcycled Baltic birch plywood, 1/2-inch plywood. Again, I think it turned out real nice. All that's left to do is add a finish of some kind, and it'll be completed. The pattern was designed and is available as a free download by Steve Good over at his website at scrollsawworkshop.blogspot.com. If you want to try this out over on the scroll saw, I think it turned out real good. That is all for this video. Listen, if I can make it, you can make it. Don't ever be discouraged to step out in your workshop and try a project. The scroll saw is just what I love to use, so hopefully I'm encouraging you to hop over on a scroll saw and try it out if you've never tried one out. But that is all for this video. Please continue to like and share my videos. If you haven't already, I'd really love if you'd click that subscribe button down in the bottom somewhere and subscribe to my channel. I'm the Artisan Pirate. Take care, surf's up, and God bless.